This is one of the reasons that I am buying more crypto right now. I want to talk about several charts that I want to show to you for this decision. So if you are in the market and you have some USDT left that you can buy, I think you should watch this video because these are the moments where the most profits will be made. And I will tell you exactly why I'm making this decision right now and not like last week or last month. So guys, several charts to talk about. The first one that I want to talk about is the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index. And what this means is, this is a chart showing the euphoric emotions of people. So when this thing is green and like green on top, these are the moments you want to get out. These are the moments that your barber is talking about crypto, that your taxi driver is talking about crypto, that everybody on the birthday party is talking about crypto, how much money they have made. These are the moments when you need to sell. And when do you need to buy is when this indicator is red. You can see it like when things are super low, like a score of 14, a score of 9, 11. These are the potential bottoms. Same here, like of course it's not 100% right, but you can see that when the thing is around 20, 30, around that area, it has a potential bottom, because these are the moments that people are selling it in a loss, and once we take off, people start getting greedy again. So what is happening right now when we zoom in? We see several times when things are red, and right now we are in the same area as last time. This moment was an euphoric move. Like, I hope I can zoom in a little bit for you guys. So what we see is when it was red, the following weeks can be green. So I want to place some buy orders right now, and then I hold my position open for 1, maybe 2 weeks, not long term. I want to open it up. And then when we see a potential move to the upside with 20, 30, maybe 40% on altcoins or Bitcoin, I can sell and make some good profits. So this is the first indicator why I am betting right now, because right now it was at 20, now it's 45, it's back at 30. So we are dancing around this area, and we can see multiple times there is a potential move to the upside. So this is the first thing I want to talk about. The second thing is the USDT dominance. And this chart shows you the dominance of USDT in the market. When we are here, there is a lot of USDT in the market. So this means it's bad for Bitcoin and the whole crypto market. When we're going lower, this means positive for the market. Multiple people are transferring USDT to buy more crypto. So right now, I am not sure, like we see this bottom line, right? Every time when we are here, it bounced back up. So this means people are taking profits and the market is crashing. It happens multiple times and it bounced back off it. And now I see a new pattern. I see a pattern here which started here, and this pattern bounced back from this line. I was thinking like, hey, maybe it can be like a one-time thing, but the same thing happened again. Like this is the third touch. So there is a potential that we go back to the 4.45%, where we bounce back from here, bounce back to here, and then like this. It is potentially possible. I'm not saying it will happen, but it is potentially possible. So this is the second indicator that I'm thinking like, hey, this can be potentially a bottom, like not the bottom of the whole crypto market. This can be potential bottom for the short term. Also for this, you see the MVRV Z-Score. This indicator shows us potentially tops and bottoms of the bull market. So what happened in the past was, when this indicator was going into the red zone, you need to get out. Like you need to get out and sell your positions to take some profits. When we are in green, you want to buy. All of these years, it was quite accurate. So it happens, and like this was a bottom, this was a bottom, this was a bottom. So it's quite nice indicator. Same here, the top. We didn't touch the red box yet. I have to say, I think potentially we don't touch the red box this year, and then we get maybe to the 6, because this one was higher, this one was lower, and then potentially we go between the 4 and the 6. I'm not sure how high, but I'm thinking that. We can see over the last months, we had an up run, we had a pullback, we had an up run, now a pullback. So potentially the third signal that there is a potential bottom in the coming weeks. And one more thing that I want to discuss is the Bitcoin addresses balances. This is the address with balance of more than 1,000 Bitcoin. And we can see that they are buying more. I want to show you first the wall chart, where I'm showing like since Bitcoin was going from around 60K, these institutionals or personal players with big money are buying more Bitcoin. Like, it's an insane amount. 100 Bitcoin wallets, 15,800. Now it's around 18,000, so 3,000 more Bitcoin wallets holding on-chain more than 100 Bitcoin. Same is happening with like 1,000 Bitcoin. Not a lot of people have this, but we can see that they are buying, they are selling, and right now they are buying more if we zoom in. So it was 2038. Right now it is 2079, and the number is maybe small, but these people are holding more than 1,000 Bitcoin. It is insane. So they are buying like more and more Bitcoin, and the price is going like sideways. So there will be a moment when it switch and then we go back up because the sellers are exhausted. Same for like 1 Bitcoin wallets. Multiple people are buying like for years, but right now they are staying stable. They are not interested anymore. So the big players are buying. The retail is waiting or potentially selling. So guess what is happening next? The sellers are exhausted. The next move will be probably up. I'm not saying it will happen, but that is what I'm thinking based on these indicators. So guys, let's see how it goes. I am buying right now some positions. What kind of things are you buying? Are you buying at least something during these times, or are you waiting on the sideline? Let me know in the comments, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.